Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential footage and sequence settings so Premiere reads your clip correctly. Import both the background plate and your green screen clip, then drag the green screen layer above the background and the timeline so it overlays. Once done, make sure the sequence frame rate and resolution match your footage to avoid rescaling artifacts. You want consistent lighting and a clean color key, so fix any exposure shifts now with basic correction before moving to the actual keying step. You now apply Ultra Key and sample the green using the eyedropper. This tells Premiere which color to remove. Once the matte appears, switch to matte generation and check transparency for holes and pedestal for noise. Make iterative adjustments. Increase choke to tighten edges, soften to reduce aliasing, and use spill suppression to remove green fringes. Then correct color and exposure of the foreground so it matches the background. Change blend modes or add a subtle shadow to ground the subject naturally. You finish by rendering and reviewing the composite at full quality, because real-time previews can hide small halos or jitter. Make final tweaks, mask and animate any stubborn areas, track masks to the subject when they move, and tweak spill suppression and contrast to match lighting. If edges still look bad, try one final step. Use a secondary color correction on the foreground to neutralize remaining spill. If nothing works, consider reshooting with cleaner lighting and a more even green background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.